Once again, the Descalzo number 7. Have a great night, everyone.
Yo, tu vas me voir pas non, la garder pas.
Non, si vous êtes le gars de oui, vous.
Yeah, la garder. Yo, tu garder pas. Ouais, ça monte bon dal. Yeah, the way star. Oh, that is beautiful.
For free? Thank you.
That is beautiful, my friend. Have a good day.
Hey, look.
Thank you.
No, it's not for sale.
Me go boss là, mes amis. Meni, pull up sous go boss là de. Big boss, my little brother. Pull up, va. Yeah, no pas catch feeling, no catch flight, mes amis. Ndezi nou sa, di boss nan pa vjom sa. Yeah, right? Yeah, I go boss là. Mais nous quand côté mêlé bien go boss. Nous quand boss là, boss là pas me bail côté fait fret. Non, bye. Ou à go bon.
Moi, ici, au père, notre de me sortir là,
Ça nous fait. Mes amis, chalet, t'as quoi intimier? Bah. Mes amis, qu'est-ce que ça nous fait? Gardez pas me tuer. Gardez coco. Oh shit, yeah, I'm about to go there. I'm about to go in the juice bar. Yeah, I'm about to go there. Ha. Et t'as quoi intimier? Ah, boss ça, mais yo boss là. Ah, boss là, mais. Puis, me donne pour boss dans la machine. Boss. Yeah, ça nous fait nous-mêmes. Yeah. Cash fly just to see the boss. I don't see the boss for too long. What? Boss?
Yeah!
We pull up.
Yeah!
We don't stay one place.
My nigga Kirk.
Bow. Right there. That's it right there.
It's almost like fish and chicken mixed, and then this is like steak and chicken mixed. I don't know why it always relates to chicken, but that's always the feeling I get. Nice. But they're both really good.
Thank you.
I got the sandwich coming out in just a minute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Shark is pretty good. A lot better than gator.
Look at right there, shark. You wanna try this shark sandwich? Huh? Beak. You like your beak? So, oh God.
Shark bait. Okay.
Wow. They be eating us now, we eating them. Payback, mother lover.
Serious, I was just thinking that.
It's a bit back.
Like, I don't feel bad. They eat everything.
I don't feel bad.
Gatorades.
Gator.
I mean,
You say getaway. You say getaway. I'm like getaway. Get away. Alligator. Alligator time, people.
Gatorade. Pickles, baby. What the hell's the Gatorade?
I wouldn't dig in here.
You guys chilling for like a week or two?
Well, we're coming to Las Vegas for a night, and then we're going to Fort Worth.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's cut today? So, fresh cut.
All tasting good so far?
Oh, good, baby, baby, baby.
Show me what you got.
Yeah. Show me what you got, girl.
See, I'm not a huge fan of the left hand.
No loud him, man. Yeah, you wouldn't like that. Ooh.
See,
Yeah? Cubano.
yeah, with bless him.